Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical guide on how to transfer TRX from Bitrue to your Phantom wallet in 2025. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest crypto tips. TRX, the native token of the Tron blockchain, is a popular choice for many, and moving it securely between exchanges and wallets is essential. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, making it easy even if you're a beginner. First things first, make sure you have both a Bitrue account with TRX in it and a Phantom wallet set up on your device. Phantom is a user-friendly wallet that supports Tron assets, so double-check that TRX is enabled in your Phantom settings. Once that's sorted, open your Bitrue app or website and log in securely. Step 1. Navigate to your Bitrue wallet dashboard. Find your TRX balance and look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. Click on that to start the process. Step 2. You'll need your Phantom wallet address. Open your Phantom app, go to the TRX section, and copy the wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful to get it right. Next, back in Bitrue, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees if needed. Step 3. Review all the details carefully. Double-check the address to avoid any irreversible mistakes. Crypto transfers are final. Once you're confident, hit confirm and authenticate with your Bitrue security measures, like 2FA. Now, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, check your Phantom wallet to see your TRX has arrived. And that's it, you've successfully moved your assets. A quick word of caution: always use official apps and secure networks to prevent hacks. If you're dealing with larger amounts, consider using hardware wallets for added security. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. What's your next crypto move? Stay tuned for more guides, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.